This right here is a French pin. It is a super easy tool to use as for thick hair, thin hair. It works great when you don't have a ton of hair. It works great when you do have a ton of hair. It is super lightweight. It is super inexpensive to grab a pack of these on Amazon, and it is a great damage-free way to put up your hair. The thing that technically causes damage when we put up our hair is tension. And pins like these, French pins, claw clips, anything like that is going to cause less tension than a hair tie, so you're less likely for your hair to break when you use something like this. And they're super easy to use. You literally are just pinning one half of your hair to the other half of your hair, no matter what style you're doing. So let me show you some tips on how to make these work no matter what style you're using. So what we always want to do with these is we want to have the curved side facing away from the head. We want to grab the hair, we want to flip it over, and then we want to push through. And when you push through, you want to make sure you are grabbing hair. Let's just make a fake little bun on the side of my head for a second. You want to make sure you are grabbing hair from the style and from the base, which is the hair that's still on your head, not the hair that's incorporated into the little bun or flip or twist or whatever you've done. So right now I've got the bun and then I've got the hair under the bun. And you want to make sure your clip has gone through the top of the style. You flip it, you push it against your head so that you feel your scalp. Flip it so the curved side is now facing the head, and you're gonna push it back through, and that's gonna have grabbed the hair underneath. Let me show you properly from the back because it's really hard to do it on the side of my head like that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna create any style we want. And so I usually like to do sort of like a French twist. So I'm just gonna twist all of my hair into a messy French twist. I'm gonna take my clip, curved side, away from my head. I'm gonna grab some hair from the top of the style. I'm gonna start to flip. I'm gonna find my scalp with those two prongs. I'm gonna flip it the rest of the way over, and I'm gonna push it through. It's super secure. That is not going to go anywhere at all. It is all the tension you need to keep the style in all day, but not the tension that's going to wreck your hair. And if you're putting it in like this and you find that it falls out, it's because you did not get the pin into the hair that's on your scalp. You only got it into the twist. You want to make sure you're connecting the twist to the hair on the base of your head with the pin. That's what's going to keep everything intact. And it's literally just the pin. And these pins will generally hold really well if you don't have a lot of hair, but they'll actually also hold quite a bit of hair once you get good at making sure that you get them into the right spot and you've created enough tension to keep your hair up. I hope that helps. I hope you give these French pins a try. I will include another video here that you can check out where I've done some styles with the French pin that you can try out, but it is a great tool, accessory to incorporate into your hair repertoire, especially if you have fine, fragile hair that breaks easily, like I do, because you might want to put your hair up a lot, but putting it up in a ponytail or a bun all the time can cause stress damage from your hair ties. So minimizing the use of hair ties is great by using things like pins or claw clips. Thanks so much for watching today, guys. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Like and subscribe because it really helps me out. And leave me a comment because I love to hear from you guys. Bye, guys.